So once again, if you're scared to go to the beach because of shark, have no fear. Google is here to show you a live shark, guys. Corn turn into popcorn.
Oh my God.
That we belong to. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of
Tell us something, girlfriend.
you.
So AC gang, it's your girl Abbi here.
And boy,
And today we're back with another blazing video. So as you can see by the title,
today we'll be testing viral TikTok acts
again.
again.
Yes,
Alright.
guys, part 2 because we enjoyed. Most of us enjoyed. So we're gonna do a part 2 for you.
So make sure y'all hit that like button
Subscribe if you're new.
and just comment down below if you enjoyed the video.
Yes, guys, and remember to go over to our comedy channel, Abbi and Kiapo Comedy TV. And
Subscribe to
Abbi's Madness.
and make sure to check out.
Kiapo's TV.
Alright.
Follow us on Instagram below. So don't further talking. Let's flick into the video. AC, yeah.
The first TikTok act is the marshmallow. This one made the marshmallow get 2 or 3 times the size by putting it into the microwave and it'll grow. Give it 30 seconds in the microwave. Let's go. In the microwave, if you give it 30 seconds. So let's just see if it'll work. 3, 0. Alright, so 30 seconds. Alright, we'll see some. Alright, guys. So we are seeing some some progress right now.
Oh my God. 2, 1.
I'm excited.
Put it.
Oh, yo! Alright. So guys, this actually worked. So this probably can't fully build it now. Let's see if we can try it.
Yes, guys. So instead of using 2 or 3 marshmallows, you can actually use 1.
Oh, it's like smaller though, Abbi. For you.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Yeah.
I taste careful. That's delicious.
If we eat it fast because it's getting sticky now. Let's see what 4 marshmallows will look like. Let's go.
You're so stupid, careful.
Once again, 30 seconds on the clock. Counting down. Woo! And this time, Abbi will be eating the marshmallows. 4, 3,
2, 1.
0. Okay, Abbi, go on. What's going on? What's going on? Go back! Yo! Alright, people, so Abbi, I enjoy this right now, I swear. Abbi, you want to share? Wow.
Me and the sweet thing no work.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so this TikTok app was a
Success!
but guys, guess what? As soon as you take it out of the microwave, it starts to shrink.
Yeah.
And you have to eat it really fast because it gets really sticky.
Really, look at this.
Yes, guys.
It's really sticky, so you have to eat it fast.
So moving on to TikTok number 2. So guys, TikTok number 2 with a card. Yes, guys. So people use dry corn, but I'm using this corn. So basically, what you're going to do is put the corn in the microwave, and it's supposed to pop like regular popcorn. So I'm just gonna clean this up, like so, and so. Then place it in this plate. Put it in the microwave. 2 minutes on the clock. Start.
Okay.
So guys, they said in the first 1 minute, you're supposed to see the process. So let's see.
I doubt it's gonna work. You think it's gonna work?
Yeah.
Not be down here. It don't look like it's not true, Abbi.
Alright.
Maybe sorry that one. No. Only have 40 seconds left back. 40 seconds on the clock. Will this work? I doubt it. But Abbi determined, so let's see.
Get up! Get up!
What?
Get up!
No! No, that can't work. Yo!
Yes, guys!
Yo, that never is. Abbi, what is it? What that?
Papa, don't show me.
I can't believe you. Hey, guys. Abbi's a liar.
Yeah, guys. I'm not sure if I'm using the wrong card, but this little app is a fail.
Yeah.
Maybe successful to somebody else. But you know what? Moving on. Guys, for the next TikTok hack, we'll be using a cup with liquid soap along with a toilet paper roll and a socks.
You just grab an old woolly sock, you grab a toilet paper roll, and you keep your mug of beautiful soap and water. Dip it in, like that.
Okay, okay.
And I'm pretty sure.
Oh!
So Capo, come with me. Oh shit. It look plenty. Alright guys, so come.
Okay. Oh no. Oh no.
Alright, go again.
Oh. Yes. Woo. All right. I see you. Okay.
Alright guys, so this TikTok hack is a success! Alright kids, you can do this at home, it's really fun, you know? Moving on.
Kids, all adult too.
Adults,
Okay.
moving on.
Okay. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to attempt to break an egg with our elbow joint.
Yes guys, word on the street, you cannot break an egg between your yasso. So we're supposed to place the egg right here and try to break it.
Alright, go on Abbi.
So, we'll test this TikTok. Is it a TikTok?
Yes.
We'll test this. So.
It really not work. People, come on, I got this. Guys, we not give up.
We're not gonna give up, guys. AC gang is very powerful.
We're gonna do it for AC gang. Let's
Careful.
go.
Before we do it, we need to do a secret handshake. I think this will make us crack this egg.
So that's how it's done.
So guys, careful, break the egg by doing that. But I'm going to finish the job. You know, girl power. So guys, Abbi is going to test the egg.
Come on, Abbi. Bombo! Oh, Abbi! Abbi, oh!
This TikTok, it was a lie. I actually broke the egg. I didn't went over there and cracked the egg first and put it right here. I broke that egg.
Oh my God, bravo, Abbi.
Moving on to the next TikTok.
Likes, hit the like button for that one.
Next TikTok. So guys, all we need is steam,
Scissors
bottle full with water,
and
a plate.
okay.
So guys, basically, we're supposed to have a balloon full with water. Place the tape around it, make a what?
Make a triangle around it. Yes.
Stupid.
Oh, square.
It's a square.
Ah.
Like a square around it. And then pour oil in the balloon. And you're supposed to see the water freeze.
You like a still water.
Yeah, it will be flowing, you know, guys, but it will look like it freeze. So you know what? Let's do it. Alright guys, so both of the balloons are here. I'm not sure how big of the square it should be, but let's see which one actually works.
Okay. Oh!
You're supposed to use something more finer.
Okay, the moment of truth.
So guys, this is the one with a smaller square.
Oh yeah.
So I'm going to see if it's because my square was so big and everything.
I don't know. I guess it worked. Alright guys, so the square was still too big. We got one more balloon, we're gonna try again. So final attempt.
The hole is right here, like, yeah, you see right here? We made it smaller.
The moment of truth. Juki.
I'm supposed to turn.
Ah! Still water. Saw that? See that? It's gonna good. Oh, guys.
We think this one was a TikTok success!
Finally.
All we should have done was to make the square smaller.
Yes.
And turn the balloon
Slant.
so that it can,
Shoot outwards.
yeah. Alright guys, so moving on.
Alright, guys.
So basically this is the last one.
Yes.
So guys, this last one is how to see a live shark, a big shark. You know most people afraid to go to sea and them places because of shark fear. So you know what guys? Don't worry. Google will help you with this. So basically all you need to do is go on Google, type in shark guys. I already did the steps. So go on Google, type in shark, and you're gonna scroll down and click on view in 3D. So
Let's do this.
alright, I'm gonna tap the object. Alright, tap the object, you can see that the shark is showing. So all you need, I think you're supposed to connect to Wi-Fi. I have service. So after you click the object to see the shark, you're gonna click on AR, and then you're supposed to search for the shark.
Search for the shark? What do you mean search for the shark?
Search for the shark. That's the shark. So once again, if you're scared to go to the beach because of shark, have no fear. Google is here to show you a live shark, guys. Yes, Google is here.
When the?
Right in front of you, Capo.
Yes, sir?
Yeah, you know, he's in front of you. Yeah, that's
Live
a.
shark.
Yeah, Capo, rub him.
Ah, don't bite me.
Alright. Yes, guys, so those of you who have a shark fear, Google is here to save you. Seeing a real life shark.
Okay, guys.
So this is the end of our TikTok video.
Hope you enjoyed it.
I know you enjoyed, so make sure you hit the like button.
Subscribe if you're new.
Comment what you think about it. Also go subscribe to our comedy channel,
Abbi and Capo Comedy TV.
So until then,
AC Gang is